Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and I make New York City-based adventure videos spiked with love and positivity. This week, we are no longer in New York City. We are at RIU Palace Riviera Maya. In this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of the hotel, show you the dining options, and give you a room tour. I'm really excited to get this video started, but before we do, please subscribe if you enjoy New York City-based videos, international trips, and resort reviews like this one. Alright, let's get going. Come on. RIU Palace Riviera Maya is located 1 hour south of Cancun, Mexico, in the Playacar gated community. This area is called Playa del Carmen and is home to many resorts, private beach homes, and a shopping area. At the shops, you can purchase souvenirs, jewelry, and other necessities from the pharmacy. The prices here are lower than at the pharmacy under the hotel, and you can bargain for a lower price for your souvenirs. The hotel is lavishly decorated with chandeliers, marble floors, mosaic tiles, ornate walls, and intricate wrought iron balustrades. You'll truly feel like you've stepped into a palace. Everything here is all-inclusive. In the lobby, you'll find Cappuccino Cafe, which serves desserts, coffees, juices, and sandwiches. It's open 24/7, although what they offer depends on the time of day. Across from the cafe, you'll find Daiquiri Bar. In the evenings, live musical performances take place in the lobby area. Past this long hallway is a cafe, which was one of my favorite areas of the resort. You would find some snacks here during the day. It's a wonderful spot to spend a rainy day, take a phone call, or write in your journal. Next, we'll explore the outdoor areas of the hotel. Now let me take you to the inner courtyard area. There were fountains, palm trees, plants, and the rooms which faced this part of the courtyard. The beach was very windy, and the waves here were strong when we arrived in early April. There was a ton of seaweed on the sand, but not so much in the water. On the beach, the entertainment crew hosts dance parties that take place during the day. There is also a water sport and tour section on the right side. The pool area is comprised of 4 different sections. The first pool is a volleyball one, where the entertainment staff would gather people for a game in the middle of the day. These were the next 2 main pools facing the beach. Here we saw a foam party taking place with loud music, beach balls, lots of dancing, and of course, foam. Early in the morning, the pool area is quiet. Plenty of lounge chairs are available around all 4 pools. Walking towards the last pool, there is this snack area called Pepe's Food. Across from the snack area is the beachfront bar. And here is the swim-up bar, right behind the beachfront bar. There's a little patio area in front of the snack place. Here you'll find a variety of burgers, hot dogs, and fruits. By the pool area one day, we saw a monkey coming to drink water. Everyone was gathering around to take pictures and videos of this surprising sighting. The monkey came back the next day and received equal amounts of attention from the resort guests. Inside the hotel, you'll find these long hallways with rooms on either side.
Now it's time for the room tour. Let's head on in and see what it's like. So the first thing is that you're gonna get a room key card. And at other hotels, it's located on your wristband, which I much prefer. But here it's a separate card.
If you'd like to watch my other resort review videos, I'll leave the links in the description box below.
The first thing is over here, we have the bathroom. So here it's just a single toilet and it's really small. I really wish that the wall were further away from the toilet because right now it's very close together. Another cool thing is that you do have a full-length mirror over here, so that's really great for checking out your outfit in the evenings. Then this is the bathroom. You have a double vanity and quite a big shower here. The bathroom is an open layout, so as you can see, the tub is in the middle of the room. This is typical for a lot of RIU resorts. They like to have the tub right here. It's just something that you have to get used to. Then over here we have the closet space. It's quite a big closet and it has a lot of hangers in there, an ironing board, and a safe. Then moving on into the room, here we have the mini bar area. You can use anything here. Inside the fridge, you have a collection of sodas. There are more beers here, water, filtered water. So whatever you want to take, you can take. It's all included. So this is the layout that you're gonna get if you ask for 2 double beds. You have 2 big beds here.
Housekeeping leaves these adorable towel creatures on the beds, and you'll also receive chocolate-covered strawberries if you're celebrating a special occasion.
A TV, you have enough drawer space over here. Little areas like this where you can put your suitcase or simply stow away your shoes underneath. Here they have placed a twin bed and a couch, which is normally pushed up against that wall. And then over here is a small table for you to get any work done. You can sit here and have lunch or breakfast, do whatever you need. Now I'll take you to my favorite part of the room, which is the balcony. This is the beautiful courtyard view. We have all of these fountains here. If you look out to the left, you can see the beach and 2 of the main pools. And over here is the lobby area and the theater, and also where breakfast is served in the mornings. And the way this resort is set up, it's like a U. It's in a U shape, and right now we're facing the inner courtyard of that U. But there's also rooms on the other side facing the 2 outer extremes. And of course there are other rooms which face the ocean too.
Now let's explore the dining options available at RIU Palace Riviera Maya. Inside Don Rafael restaurant, you'll find the buffet dining for breakfast and dinner. There is an indoor seating area, which is air conditioned, and an outdoor seating area, which is cooled by fans. For breakfast, you'll find a selection of cereals, fresh juices and smoothies, yogurts, pastries, fruits, a mimosa station, guacamole, and a variety of meats. You'll also find waffles, French toast, green juice, and a salad bar. A variety of eggs, hash browns, and sausages are available, plus much more. Lunch is served by the pool area inside Chili's. This also turns into the Mexican restaurant in the evening and the steakhouse. For lunch, you'll find a salad bar, a burger, hot dog, and French fry station, a selection of pastas and pizza, cheese and cold cuts, sushi, fish, tacos, and meats, rice and noodles, a variety of fruits, desserts, and juices. Speaking of the Mexican restaurant, this is what you can be served with if you dine here. You can order as much as you'd like from the menu. We got a variety of appetizers, fajitas, enchiladas, and grilled octopus. For dessert, we had chocolate cake and tres leches cake. We also tried the Japanese restaurant. For your appetizer, you can choose to receive a variety of sushi. For the main course, we had salmon and beef. For dessert, I picked the mango ice cream and matcha cake. Here is Don Rafael during dinner. You do not need to make reservations for the specialty restaurants ahead of time. Simply arrive at the restaurant of your choice the evening you'd like to dine there, and you'll be given a table right away if there isn't a line. Otherwise, you'll be asked to put your name on the list and will be called when a spot opens up. Entertainment takes place at Lirico and La Plaza. At La Plaza, there's often a singer with a band. The entertainment is nothing to jump out of your seat for. The singers are okay, and the dancers and performers all work incredibly hard, but I have seen better entertainment at the other resorts. One night, there was even a dance party led by the entertainment crew. At Lirico, there are shows like the Queen Show, the rock show, the ABBA show, and events such as the silent disco party, and karaoke. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my videos when they go live on Thursday evenings. In the meantime, let's keep in touch on Instagram at Miss Anna Adventures. Leave a comment below if you have been to this resort and what your opinion was. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.